The Powerhouse sale is now on, and for extra voucher savings, pick up a leaflet in store. Hurry! Offer ends 5 p.m. Tuesday.
We've got the power!
The Pulse of Channel 4 returns with a new look at the nation's health. Fresh insights into asthma, tackling stress at work, and confronting our taboos. Do we have a problem with happiness? Can positive thinking make you healthy? What are the links between mind and body? Beginning with a look at holistic medicine, The Pulse, starting Thursday at 8 on 4.
Definitely Channel 4.
Channel 4's back in the emergency room, dealing with complications of the heart.
I'm the one who's had to go home to my husband.
There seems to be a little tension in the workplace.
And of the mind.
She is irritating as hell and you know it.
They're fighting to keep their patients. ER, the new series starts Wednesday at 10 on 4.
Now on 4, a spectacle for all the family. Channel 4 is proud to present Riverdance, the show.
Cybill Shepherd is Cybill, an actress who can play any role. She's a mother.
Mother, I swear, if you mess this up for me, I'll become a lesbian.
She's a lover.
He couldn't do it. He failed to perform.
She's an ex-wife twice.
What is this, the I Married Cybill Club?
She's worked all her life to get to the middle. Cybill starts Friday at 9 on Channel 4. Just what's needed on a freezing night, a hot film full of smash hits. Next here on 4, Mitzi Gaynor is the dame who tries to wash Rosanna Brazzi out of her hair in the Rodgers and Hammerstein musical South Pacific.
Le crime a eu lieu à 9h. Vous avez arrêté l'accusé à
9h30.
9h30. Il conduisait une voiture ordinaire.
Ordinaire.
50 km sur une route de montagne en 30 minutes. Je ne crois pas.
Non coupable.
Une voiture ordinaire.
For me, the perfect wine has to be the wine that lingers the longest. First and most obvious thing that's different about Majestic is that we taste more wine, so we attract enthusiasts. I was an enthusiast of Majestic long before I was involved in the management. I feel proud about the association of American Express and Majestic. My having a card is really an extension of that. If American Express was a wine, it would be a white Burgundy. Burgundy travels very well around the world.
Majestic is just one of the places you can have fun with your American Express card.
I would recommend Vision Express to anybody.
A second pair of glasses free is excellent value for money.
Vision Express made me 2 pair of bifocals within the hour.
They have their own technicians right in the store.
The second pair free is extremely good value.
2 for the price of 1 is a bonus. Vision Express is definitely the place to go for glasses.
Buy a complete pair of glasses and Vision Express will give you a free second pair, even bifocals and varifocals. 2 for 1 from Vision Express, both in about an hour.
You can't always give in to cold and flu. So to relieve all your cold and flu symptoms, Nurofen introduced Nurofen Cold and Flu.
Cellnet and Vodafone give you no calls with their £29 tariff. Orange include an extra 60 minutes of calls free. Another reason why, on average, Orange users save £20 every month. The future's bright. The future's orange.
Come back, Natalie.
And?
I won't forget. I'll get you some. I promise.
Hi. Everything okay? Dad? Here, try this.
Roaring 40s.
Hello. I wonder if you can help me.
Certainly. How many...
Albert.
Natalie.
Well, I did promise.
Vaseline Intensive Care Research have developed a 2-in-1 hand and nail lotion which softens your hands and helps keep your nails this strong.
Dulux White Emulsion 15% off, a heated propagator 50% off.
Vince, will you shut up before we all nod off?
The do-it-all sale, up to 50% off.
Taste a little bit of paradise. Experience a sensual blend of culture and cuisine. Island hop with Dorinda Hafner as she traces the African roots and discovers a taste of the Caribbean. It is the real thing. Yeah. A new series starts this Thursday at 8:30 on Channel 4.
More than a taste of paradise now, a downright earful too, as Mitzi Gaynor stars in the classic Rodgers and Hammerstein musical, South Pacific.